Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive women stylish footwear collection. Beautiful, easy, trendy footwear collection designs, women beautiful, comfortable shoes designs you can see in this my video. Stylish party wear shoes designs, casual wear, office going ladies, beautiful and trendy stylish shoes ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women comfortable shoes designs, comfort footwear collection. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Top 50 designer ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful woman stylish footwear collection, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful shoes designs online. These websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Bata collection, Savak collection. Most attractive designs and ideas you can see. Every design is different, one another, beautiful and attractive. Most beautiful, most trendy stylish color combination contrasts you can see. You can wear these very beautiful shoes designs in the birthday party or wedding party or casual use. Easy to wear, easy to move with beautiful and trendy stylish shoes designs. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, comfort footwear collection?